In the next part of your syllabus, we have economic application of derivatives, or you can say application of derivative in business. Okay, so there are a few functions like revenue function, we have cost function, we have here is we have cost function, we have profit function. So here how this derivation is used in business, okay, or in for economic application. For that one, we have some sums which are repeatedly is asked in your exam. So before you move on to that, we have to know few formulas. The formulas like the first one, if it is a revenue function, okay, if it is a revenue function, total revenue usually is denoted by R, or sometimes it is also denoted by TR. R or TR. It is what price into quantity, or you can simply write TR equal to price into quantities. If revenue is given or total revenue is given, then okay. If it is not given, sometimes we also may have given price or quantity. In that case, we have to calculate total revenue. Next is average revenue. Average revenue is what AR is TR by Q, or total revenue divided by Q. So the total revenue is, we already have price into quantity. So P into Q, Q got cancelled. So average revenue is always equal to price. Okay. So if it is not given, suppose sometimes average revenue is not mentioned, the price is mentioned, then in that case we will assume, or we will take that the price which is given, it is your average revenue. Or if it is, if you have to use for a mathematical purpose, then we can use this formula, average revenue, or AR is equal to TR by Q. So till now we have not used the derivative. So derivation comes when we have to calculate the marginal function or marginal revenue. Marginal revenue is nothing but it is a additional to the total revenue for additional unit of a sale. Okay, so here this marginal revenue MR is DTQ of TR. Here we have to derive it, we have to take the derivative of TR. टोटल रेवेन्यू में जो भी फंक्शन दिया होगा या फिर मिलेगा, उसका हम अगर डेरिवेटिव निकालेंगे तो वो हो गया हमारा मार्जिनल रेवेन्यू. Similarly, we have a total cost function. In this case, total cost function is usually given. If it is not given, it is cost per unit into quantity. Average revenue is average cost is what? It is TC by Q. Marginal cost MC is DDQ of TC. Marginal function is always a derivation of a total function. If it is a revenue function, then it is a derivative of total revenue. If it is a cost function, then it is a derivative of the total cost function. If it is a profit function, then of course it is a derivation of a total profit function. Okay, so only in case of marginal revenue we have to use the derivation. Okay, so we will go through some sums which are repeatedly asked in your question. So there is a question, this question is asked so many times in your exam. Okay, so what is given? Find average revenue function AR and marginal revenue function for the following total revenue function. So it is given that the total revenue function is this one. Okay, so we will write given R equal to 12Q minus Q square. Okay, so evaluate them at Q equal to 2 and Q equal to 3. Okay, so इस पार्ट में हम बाद में आएंगे. First we have to calculate what? We have to calculate average revenue function. So this is total revenue. Total revenue, as I already said, it may be given in terms of TR or maybe in terms of R. So average revenue AR is equal to what I gave? It is a TR by Q. So TR, the function, or R by Q, same thing, or we can say it is a R by Q. R by Q. Okay, so R, what is given? It is 12Q minus Q square divided by Q. If we separate it, 12Q by Q minus Q square by Q. Q got cancelled. We have 12 minus 1Q will get cancelled, Q. So this is your average revenue function. So average revenue function में मिल गया. अभी हमें क्या करना है, यहाँ पे क्या दिया हुआ है? Evaluate them at Q equal to 2 and Q equal to 3. Okay, that means when Q equal to 2, AR कितना होगा? It will be 12 minus 2, it will be 10. And if Q equal to 3, then AR कितना होगा? 12 minus 3, it will be 9. So this is our answer for the first, number 1. It is average revenue function. So till now we have not used a derivation, but this question is very much common in your question paper. Okay, next let's move to marginal revenue. So it is asked that number 2 is marginal revenue MR. MR is what? It is DDQ of TR or R simply. Okay. So DDQ of R or DDQ of R कितना दिया हुआ है 12Q माइनस क्यू स्क्वेयर. इसका अगर हम डेरिवेटिव निकालेंगे तो कितना होगा, इसको हम पहले सेपरेट कर लेंगे. DDQ of 12Q minus DDQ of Q square. So DDQ of 12Q will be 12 simply. DDQ of Q square will be 2Q. So ये हो गया हमारा मार्जिनल रेवेन्यू. हो गया. अभी हमें क्या और एक पार्ट है क्वेश्चन का, इवेलुएट देम एट Q equal to 2 and Q equal to 3. So when Q equal to 2, okay, MR कितना होगा 12 minus 2 into 2 और कितना होगा 12 minus 4, it will be 8. And when Q equal to 3 कितना होगा MR equal to 12 minus 2 into 3 कितना होगा 12 minus 6, it will be 6. Okay, so there are 4 answer. एक आंसर है हमारा एवरेज रेवेन्यू में 10, 9 and marginal revenue में 8 and 6. Okay, so this question is very much common in your question paper, and few other questions are also there. I will give in a PDF link. Go through that and give me the answer in your in a comment box.